Hello. Ayan. Today is Tuesday, June 10, June 9. And it's been a while since nag-vlog ako. Pero I just want to talk about something. Sorry nakubot ako, pero I just came back from the gym and nagkonting shooting sa basketball. Pero I'm here right now to really just it's been a while. Kamusta kayo? How are you guys? And sobrang saya lang isipin na I'm back here in my safe space. And I really don't mind the time that I'm going to do this because it's been a few days since I vlogged. Pero one thing na na-realize ko is na parang naiinip ako to express myself with no judgments, no one can hear me. And nandito ako sa resort ko, sa safe space ko. And this environment really can take me from every other places. Like, grabe, ang dami kong gustong sabihin. Pero pagod ako right now, pero wala akong masabi ngayon. But, gusto ko lang for the viewers out there na talagang nakakaginhawa at dismaya na hindi ako consistent sa ganitong environment, yung ako lang mag-isa, and it really boils down to my attitude. That's what I'm going to talk about, my attitude as a person. Mabilis kasi ako mainip. Mabilis ako mainis. Mabilis ako ma-stress. Mabilis akong ah mapakali. Hindi mapakali. Palagi yung pag parang makulit ako, tapos isang parang dapat nakatayo lang, galaw ng galaw, sinasaway ako ng nanay ko. And the one thing na parang inisip ko kasi, if I'm in a situation, in the physical sense, yung mental ko malayo, malayo. So I'm here right now, nakikita niyo ako, pero yung utak ko nandun, ang layo. That's why I can say na it's alright na ako nandito na parang ganito ganyan, wala masabi, or kaya kung ano na lang pumapatak yung kanong topic. And nga attitude ko, that's my attitude as a person. And for the past, parang hindi ako mapakali sa pagbabago. I really want it. Kasi galing lang ako sa training ng business ko, and na doon ko na-realize na parang kailangan kong gumalaw. I need to take action on the things that I want to do, that I need to do. And parang naisip ko na wala lang, like, nandito ako ngayon, yeah, nagsasabi-sabi, gano'n. Parang tunga nga lang ako, tulala. Kasi it's been, yeah, pagod ako right now. Pero it's been like, I miss this feeling of me being alone. I miss this feeling na ako lang mag-isa, na walang iniisip, here in my safe space. And I want this message, this digital diary, that it really resonates me kasi I'm doing this for myself. I'm improving physically, in some sense, pero it's getting there. But as of this moment, as of this time, na nandito ako, nakikita nyo ako, I just want to thank me. I just want to pasalamat sa sarili ko, si Najin San Jose, na I need, na kaila, na I just want to take this time to say I love you, bro. I love you, Najin. Because really, you've been struggling with your mental health for a very long time. And no amount of words, no amount of advice, no amount of people, environment can really fix you but yourself. And I'm saying this to you guys because, like, it's me. Like, I really don't give a fuck about you, about what you think of me. Ngayon, pero before, I was really into the phase of where I might be judged by someone if I act and say these things. Pero I really doesn't really matter. Kasi this is me. This is who I am. This is what I want to do. This is where I need to practice self-love, self-compassion, self-worth, and to really just yung old ways ko tanggalin, habits ko in a way, and really try something new. Kasi sawang-sawa na ako na isipin ng mga ibang tao na ganito lang ako. Baka sabihin, baka you might be thinking, wala naman kami iniisip na ganyan tungkol sa'yo, ikaw lang naman nag-iisip. Okay, tama kayo. I have no argument against that. I have no opinion against that. But what really matters for me is sharing this, my side of being vulnerable. But then again, uh, it's a stigma. It's something, it's not the norm. Where people has has really may kanya-kanya tayong problema sa buhay. Na wala na tayong time para sa problema ng iba. Kasi contagious yun eh. Ganun tayong mga tao. It's in our nature to be emotional creatures. It's in our nature to compare. It's in our nature mainggit. All of the negative and toxic traits we all have, that I have, that I thought na ako lang meron pero hindi pala. Na marami pa palang iba na much worse sa akin. But one thing na gusto kong sabihin na I'm proud sa progress mo. And saying these things with uncertainty pero my sincerity means something na there is so much things that we need to improve in our lives. And ang ganda lang kasi, like, God has given us so many blessings like waking up, food, water, electricity, Wi-Fi. And right now na I just want to thank God, just thank myself na I'm so fortunate na meron akong ganito, mga bagay na hindi ko naman kailangan, mga bagay na nababaliwala ako lang. And it's kind of refreshing talaga. So right now, yun nga yung attitude problem ko, na kung saan na parang when when me facing the responsibilities in life, like sa academics na lang, na nakakala ko na nakakala ko na parang basa-basa lang, not reading the context, the lessons intently. Akala ko pasado na ako, akala ko na okay na ako, pero as time goes by na parang lumalaki yung responsibilities ko. And ayun yung sa akin. And I feel like na left out ako sa progress ko. Pero hindi ko na dapat isipin yun kasi it's parang sa akin. Like I see a lot of persons and people in my life na mabicep siya, ma-chest siya, may vein siya sa katawan, or kaya, ay kuya, ay nag-vlog ako. And, ayun, tapos, parang, sila may pera, sila may trabaho. Like, parang, I'm wasting my time judging them, I'm wasting my energy. Like, I'm wasting my precious time here on earth thinking about what they have, not what I have. And nakakadismaya and nakaka-disappoint if gano'n ako mag-isip. Kaya naisip ko na yun nga yung attitude ko gano'n ako. Pero ang hirap i-realize ng isang bagay if doon mismo sa environment na yun, sa situation na yun, doon ang galing. Ang hirap din isipin pag nandun ka sa environment na yun, ang dami mo iniisip. Di maka-focus sa one thing or another. Malayo. And ang hirap na, it's so hard to navigate the things na kailangan mong gawin. Pero, grabe yung, grabe yung hinahasa ko ng panahon na kailangan talaga ikusa ko na i-take action ko na wala na akong isipin pa. Ang daling sabihin na walang dapat hindi nag-iisip, tanggalin emosyon, at talagang take action na lang. And ang saya lang like parang, like, there's a saying na, you can only do so much. And, na-realize ko na if I tell some advice to a person, na paulit-ulit ko advice yun, na talagang I can do I can only do so much. Ikaw na talaga. We can all do so much. And it's kinda like parang tawag dito, nakakalungkot kasi I really want someone to spoon feed me all of the knowledge, all of the information of one certain thing for me to good at it. I want someone to have a private lesson with me, one-on-one. Pero not to the to the point na ayun, pero hindi ako matututo eh. Di ako matututo as a person, sobrang init. Ayun. Sobrang wala lang, ang saya lang or kaya parang nakakapagod pala. Nakakapagod pala na isipin mga bagay na hindi naman kailangan isipin. And ang saya lang kasi like parang sobrang dali lang talaga. Sobrang dali na magkaroon ng problema. Sobrang dali na mag-isip-isip ng kahit ano. Pero napakahirap isipin at gawin ang mga dapat gawin. The right thing to do. I just need to find my tamang dahilan para lang gawin talaga. And especially yung paniniwala ko sa Diyos is starting to fade away. But I know He's faithful. He's, he's really God, Jesus. If I really don't put Him in all the things that I do, if I don't glorify Him, bale wala lang. So Lord, sorry, come into my heart wherever I go. One, one dear lang. One pain. Ayun. Sige. Ayun lang naman. And thank you for the time, guys, for listening. And sobrang init, pero Pinoy tayo. Wala akong pakialam sa init. Ayun. And I hope you have a great day. And God bless. Peace, yo.